Hello? It's right time for us to learn the English alphabet and the sounds once again, especially in the British house. Okay, let's dive in now. So, here we go. Letter A sounds and. Letter B sounds b, ball. Letter C sounds cat. Letter D sounds d, drum. Letter E sounds egg. Letter F sounds fish. Letter G sounds gun. Letter H sounds hat or hat. Okay. I sounds insect. Letter J sounds jellyfish. Letter K sounds kite. Letter L sounds lollipop. Letter M sounds mango. Letter N sounds nose. Letter O sounds orange. Letter P sounds pencil. Letter Q sounds quark. Letter R sounds rabbit or rag. Letter S sounds snake. Letter T sounds tennis ball. Letter U sounds umbrella. Letter V sounds van. W sounds watch or wind. Letter X sounds X-ray. Letter Y sounds yogurt. The yogurt, very good. Or yo-yo. Letter Z sounds zip or buzz.